With a new lecture of class 12, and today we are solving some problem of concentration method, and they are mostly based on molality, mole fraction and the mass percentage. So we will do some numerical problems. So let us start with. So our first problem is that concentration of HNO3 is given 68% nitric acid by mass in aqueous solution. Calculate its molarity if density is 1.504 gram per ml. Okay, so we have to calculate molarity. So first of all, let us write the formula of molarity. So molarity is WB upon MB into 1000 upon V in ml. This we have to calculate. These things we want to have. Now, in the numerical it is given, it is 68% by mass. So here it is given that WB is equals to 68 grams. Fine. Now, if it is given 68% in aqueous solution, means you have water as a solvent and the mass of the solution is 100 grams. Fine. Now, if the mass of the solution is, you have WA plus WB is equals to 100 grams. Fine. Because it is total solution. Now, what you need here, MB. So, for calculating MB, you have to write the formula of HNO3 and then calculate its molar mass. So 1 plus 14 plus 16 into 3. Okay, this will come out to be 63. Fine. Now, these two terms you will have 1000. You can write now. The next thing that you have to calculate this VML. Okay. So here the volume. So density, you know the formula is density is equals to mass upon volume. So if you have to calculate volume, it is mass upon density. Mass, what mass you have? Mass of the solution is 100 grams here. So it is 100. And what is the density here? 1.504. So just divide it by this one, 1.504. So let us calculate it. So we have to calculate the volume here. It is mass upon density. Now you can see here that the mass is given as 100 and the density is 1.504. So when we divide it, it comes to be 66.48. It is in the milliliter. So we will put in the formula of molarity, that is, here it is WB, that is 68, MB 63, then 1000 and the volume. Now we will do the calculation, then the answer comes to be 16.23 moles per liter. So while doing this type of numerical, you have to take care whether the volume is given or the mass is given in the numerical, what type of the convergence you have to do in this numerical. Now let us move to the next numerical. And our numerical is that a glucose solution is labeled as 10% weight by weight. What would be the molarity and the mole fraction of each component if the density is given as 1.2 gram per ml. Okay, so we have to calculate three quantities: molarity, molality, and the mole fraction. So what is given here, we have to just write that first of all. So as you know that your solute is glucose and it is in the aqueous solution. So again the solvent is water. So what is here? 10% weight by weight. So WB is given as 10 gram and it is glucose. So if it is glucose, then MB is equals to C6H12O6. Okay, so 6 into plus 1 into 12 plus 16 into 6. 72 plus 12. So it's come out to be 180 here. So you know that your MB is given like that. Now it is 10% again in the 100. So here V is given as 100. So it is the mass of the solution. Okay, mass of the solution is given as 100 gram. Again you have to calculate the volume. So here volume is mass upon density. So it is 100 upon 1.2. Okay. Now if you calculate, then it comes out to be then 83.3 ml. Okay, so if you want to calculate molarity, then it is W by B by MB into 1000 into V into ml. So here WB is 10, MB is 180, then 1000, and here it comes to be 83.3. We have written all the quantities according to the formula. It is 10 upon 180 into 1000 upon 83.3. Okay, so when we will calculate, it comes to be 1000 upon 1499.4, and this in turn come out to be 0.667 mole per liter. So it is the molarity of the solution. Now we have to calculate two more terms in this question. So now we have to calculate two more terms here. So next one is the molality. Now we know that the molality is WB upon MB into 1000 upon WA. All the things are same of the previous one, but only difference is here that we have to calculate this WA. WA means the weight of the solvent. So we know here that weight of the solution is 100 and weight of the solute is 10. So if we subtract solute from the total solution, we will get the solvent here. So it is 100 minus 10. So this becomes 90. So again here WB is 10, that is the mass of the solute. It is 180, that is the molar mass of the solute. 1090, that is the weight of the solvent. So if we calculate it, it comes to be 0.617 mole per kgs. Now next thing is the calculation of the mole fraction. So mole fraction, for the mole fraction the formula is number of moles of the solvent divided by the moles of the solution. So here the moles can be written as weight upon molar mass of that particular component. So here it is for the solvent and it is for the solute. It is glucose and it is water here. So we know that the weight of the water that is given in the numerical is 90 and the molar mass of water is 18. Same here for the solute, the glucose is 10 and its molar mass is 180. Okay, so if we calculate this, it's come out to be 0.99. And as you know that the mole fraction is a comparative quantity, so here no need of unit. We know that the molar mass of the first component and the second component is total is 1. So we can just subtract to get the mole fraction of the solute, that is 1 minus 0.99, that comes to be 0.1. So by that all calculation we can calculate all the three quantities that is asked in the numerical. And if you want to ask more numerical, you can write in that my comment box, or here it is given the WhatsApp number, so you can write also, you can ask numerical further here. Okay, so for further notification, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Do like and share the video. Thank you. We will meet in the next video.